This is activity 7.1 on page 162, performing a mail merge. The files we'll be working with in this activity are house salvage customers, which is an Excel workbook, and our Word document of new store flyer. You created a new store flyer that you want to send to House Salvage Recycling Center's customers. The director of House Salvage reviewed the letter and asked you to add a greeting line and each customer's address to personalize each letter. You realize that you can accomplish all this by inserting merge fields into your letter. You have an Excel spreadsheet with customer names and addresses you can use for the mail merge. Number 1, open New Store Flyer and save it as the main document for the mail merge. I'm going to launch Word 2019 and open my document. This is lesson 7, using mail merge to create letters, envelopes, and labels. And the document we want is New Store Flyer. We're going to do a save as before we get started and update this to my New Store Flyer. Number 2, start the mail merge wizard and specify that the current file is the main document. We're going to go up to Mailings, and in our Start Mail Merge group, we're going to select Start Mail Merge. And from the drop-down, we're going to select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. This will open our Mail Merge pane to the right. In the Select Document Type, we want to make sure that Letters is selected. And down at the bottom, we're going to select Next, Starting Document, which brings us to our next step. And in the Select Starting Document section, we want to make sure that Use the Current Document is selected. Then we're going to go to our next step, select Recipients. Number 3, select Customer Data Source as the data source for the mail merge. In our pane, we're going to select Use an Existing List. And then in the Use an Existing List section, we're going to click on our Browse button. We want to navigate to our home drive and open the applicable folder of Using Mail Merge. And the file we want is House Salvage Customers. You can see that that is an Excel workbook. Click on that and select Open. In the Select Table dialog box that opens, you want to make sure that Sheet 1 is selected, and you want to make sure that first row of data contains column headers is checked off. Click OK from here. This will bring you to your Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. You can see all of the column names of the worksheet. These will become the field names that Word uses to merge data in each record or row from the source document into our main document. We're going to click OK. And then back in our Mail Merge pane, we're going to select our next step, which is Write Your Letter. Number 4, insert the address block for the inside address on the letter. In our document, we're going to position our cursor on the first blank line above Dear Customer. It says to leave an extra blank line between the address block and the salutation. So you actually want to be clicked into this first one. So we're clicked here, and then we have another one below it, and then our salutation. In our mail merge pane, in the Write Your Letter section, we're going to click on the address block link. This opens up the Insert Address Block dialog box. And in our preview to the right, you can see that our street name is missing for our address block. So we're going to select the Match Fields button. You want to make sure that your fields are matched up. First name, last name, address 1 is not matched up to anything. Our city's matched, state, and zip are good. So from the address 1 drop-down, we're going to select the street field. Click OK. And now you can see we get our street name in our address block now. Click OK. Now you can see the address block field in our letter. And we're going to replace the generic Dear Customer with the greeting line merge block. We're going to delete Dear Customer. We can leave the paragraph marker there because we don't want to bring that extra line. We don't want to bring the next line up. And in our mail merge pane, now we're going to select the greeting line link. And for our format, we're going to have Dear, and we just want the recipient's first name. So we're going to select Joshua. Click OK from here. And now you can see the field code for greeting line has been entered. And now in our mail merge pane, we're going to go to the next step, which is preview your letters. Number 6, preview the main document to see how the source data appears in your letter. In the Preview Your Letters section, select the Next button several times to view some of the merged data. So you can see our first one is Daniel Arthur, greeting line Dear Daniel, and we can scroll through Naomi Lee, Dear Naomi, and so on and so forth. Our next step at the bottom, complete the merge. In our mail merge pane, we're going to select Edit Individual Letters. This opens up our Merge to New Document dialog box. We want to make sure that all is selected and click OK. So this opens up a new document, Letters 1, and we can scroll through. You can see it has created all of our individual letters for our recipients. We're going to do a file, save as, and we're going to save it in the Using Mail Merge folder. And we're going to name this My Letter 1. Click Save. So that saves our individual letters. We're going to switch over to the My New Store Flyer document. And this is the document that contains our actual merge fields. And we're going to save this on our Quick Access toolbar. We will leave these open for our next activity.